GitHub Desktop vs Command Line. What is GitHub Desktop? GitHub Desktop equals a graphical app. GUI. To use Git and GitHub, you click buttons instead of typing commands. It lets you clone repositories, commit changes, push and pull code, create branches, open pull requests. Why? Easy for beginners who don't like terminal. What is command line? Git CLI. Command line equals using Git through terminal commands. You type commands like git status, git add, git commit, git push. It lets you control Git fully. Work faster once learned. Use advanced features. Why? Powerful and flexible. How you interact. GitHub Desktop. Computer mouse clicks. Visual buttons. Menus and panels. Command line. Keyboard. Text commands. Terminal window. Why? Desktop equals visual. CLI equals text-based. Ease of learning. GitHub Desktop. Beginner friendly. No need to remember commands. Visual history. Command line. Steeper learning curve. Must memorize commands. More technical. Why? Desktop equals easier start. CLI equals long-term skill. Speed and efficiency. GitHub Desktop. Slower for advanced workflows. Good for simple tasks. Command line. Faster for experienced users. Scriptable and automatable. Why? CLI equals speed. Desktop equals simplicity. Features and control. GitHub Desktop. Basic Git features. Limited advanced control. Command line. All Git features. Advanced operations. Rebase. Stash. Cherry pick. Why? Desktop equals basic control. CLI equals full control. Error handling. GitHub Desktop. Shows conflicts visually. Guides you with GUI. Command line. Shows error messages in text. Requires manual fixing. Why? Desktop equals guided. CLI equals technical. Best use cases. Use GitHub Desktop when check mark you are a beginner. Check mark you want visual history. Check mark you make small projects. Check mark you fear breaking things. Use command line when check mark you work in teams. Check mark you use CI/CD. Check mark you want full control. Check mark you work on big projects. Why? Desktop equals learning tool. CLI equals professional tool. Can you use both? Yes, check mark. Many developers use desktop for simple tasks. Use CLI for complex tasks. Why? You get best of both worlds. Real life example. GitHub Desktop equals car with automatic gear. Command line equals car with manual gear. Automatic. Easy to drive. Manual. More control. Why? Desktop equals simple. CLI equals powerful. Common beginner mistakes. Relying only on desktop. Never learning CLI. Not understanding what buttons do. Ignoring Git concepts. Why? Tools change. Concepts stay. In simple words. GitHub Desktop equals click-based Git. Command line equals command-based Git. Desktop equals easy start. CLI equals full power. Best path. Start with desktop means learn CLI means use both. GitHub Desktop vs Command Line equals convenience vs control.